Hi, my name is Chelsea Galfo. I'm one of the physician associates here at HRMN Health, and I'm going to show you how to do a tirzepatide or semaglutide injection. So we generally use the same concentration for tirzepatide with glycine, which is 20 milligrams per ml. That gets confusing. Let's break it down. How do you do it? What does this mean? So generally the starting dose of tirzepatide is 2.5 milligrams, which equals 12.5 units on the syringe. You're gonna have your syringe like this. When you look at the syringe, it is just above the 10 to the 12.5. So you go into the vial, take the cap off, or you can keep the cap on, it's up to you. And then you draw up 12.5 on the syringe. And then, so here's 12.5 on the syringe. Take your little alcohol swab. I generally like a sub-Q injection in the belly. Swab just a little bit on the belly. You pinch your fat. You just do a small poke like this. And then you inject it. Hold there for about 5 seconds. You can release, you're done. So conversion-wise, 12.5 units equals 2.5 milligrams. Then if we're gonna go up on the dose, you can go up to 25 units on the syringe, and that would equal 5 milligrams of tirzepatide. This is important, so when we say take 12.5 units, it's here. If we say 25, it is here. If you have any other questions about your tirzepatide injection, don't hesitate to reach out to us and we can guide you through that. But in general, it's pretty easy.